Namaste, welcome to the online class. Dear students, in the last class we were discussing POS reduction using K-map. Today we shall discuss some more problems under the topic POS reduction using K-map. Given f of ABC is equal to pi of 0, 1, 4, 5, 7. Reduce it using K-map. And also write a logic diagram for the final reduced POS expression. F of ABC is equal to pi of 0, 1, 4, 5, 7. Reduce it using K-map and also write a logic diagram for the final reduced POS expression. Yes, in the problem there are 3 variables. So we shall draw 8 square K-map. Variables are A, B, C, binary values 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. In POS expression, complemented letter denotes 1 and uncomplemented letter denotes 0. So here 0 means variable A, 1 denotes A bar. Next 0, 0, B plus C. Variables are B and C. So first 0 denotes B, second 0 denotes C. Next 0, 1, B plus C bar. 1 means C bar. Next 1, 1, B bar plus C bar. Next B bar plus C. 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Now 0th, 1st, 4th, 5th and 7th squares are having the max terms leads to output 0. So fill those squares with the zeros and remaining squares with ones. 0, 1, 4, 5 and 7. 0, 1, 4, 5, 7. Fill the remaining squares with the ones. Next, there are no 8 adjacent zeros. Then search for quads. Yes, there are 4 adjacent zeros. So we can form a quad using those zeros. From quad using 0, 1, 4, 5. M0, M1 into M4 into M5. And max terms of the square is M0, that is A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C into max term of first square A plus B plus C bar, A plus B plus C bar into M4 A bar plus B plus C, A bar plus B plus C into M5 A bar plus B plus C bar, A bar plus B plus C bar. maximum of 0th square a plus b plus c, maximum of first square a plus b plus c bar, maximum of 4th square a bar plus bc, maximum of 5th square a bar plus b plus c bar, a bar plus b plus c bar. Next, common variables in these 4 maximums are a not common, b, yes, b is common, write the letter b. Next, c bar not common. So from quad we got b bar, literal b bar. A is not common. Next, b is common, b is common. Next, c bar is not common, sorry, b is common variable, write the variable b. Next, using zeros in the 5th square and 7th square we can form a pair. From pair, using m5 and m7, m5, m7. Maximums of 5th square and 7th square are a bar plus b plus c bar into a bar plus b bar plus c bar. Next, we shall write the common variables. A bar is common plus c bar is common. B is not common, b bar is also not common. So from quad we got b. From pair we got a bar plus c bar, a bar plus c bar. So next, we shall draw the logic diagram for the final reduced POS expression. Before that, we shall write the POS expression. Reduced POS expression is b into a bar plus c bar, b into a bar plus c bar, or a bar plus c bar into b. Next, we shall draw the logic diagram. So reduced expression is a bar plus c bar into b. A is the input signal. Next, we shall add NOT gate so that we get a bar. Next, another input signal C. To get C bar, we will add NOT gate. So here we get C bar, A plus C bar. So plus symbol denotes OR operation. So we have to perform OR between A bar and C bar. We know the symbol of OR gate. Now here we get A bar plus C bar. Next, another input signal is B. Next, AND has to be performed between A bar plus C bar and B. Here we get A bar plus C bar. Now we shall add AND gate between A bar plus C bar and B input signal. So finally we get A bar plus C bar into B. So this is the logic diagram of the final reduced POS expression. Next problem. Given f of xyz is equal to pi of 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. reduce it using K-map. And also write a logic diagram for the final reduced POS expression. F of x, y, z is equal to pi of, symbol pi is used to represent POS expression, pi of 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Reduce it using K-map and also write a logic diagram for the final reduced POS expression. Now there are 3 variables in the problem and variables are x, y, z. So we shall draw 8 square K-map. And the square numbers are 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Variables are x, y, z. Binary values are 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0 denotes a signal or variable x. Next 1 denotes a x bar. Next 0, 0, y plus z. 0, 1, y plus z bar. 1, 1, y bar plus z bar. 1, 0, y bar plus z. Now 0th, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 6th and 7th squares are having the max terms leads to output 0. Fill those squares with the zeros. 0, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Fill the remaining squares with the ones. Now you can see a quad in the K-map. We can form a quad using zeros in the 3rd square, 2nd square, 7th square and 6th square. So from quad using M2, M3, M6, M7. M2, M3 into M6 into M7. 2, 3, 6, 7 and max terms of that quad are x plus y bar plus z bar is the max term of 3rd square. X plus y bar plus z bar. Next max term of 2nd square. X plus y bar plus z. X plus y bar plus z into max term of 6th square is x bar plus y bar plus z. X bar plus y bar plus z into max term of 7th square is x bar plus y bar plus z bar. X bar plus y bar plus z bar. Max term of 3rd square is x plus y bar plus z bar. Max term of 2nd square is x plus y bar plus z. Max term of 6th square x bar plus y bar plus z. Max term of 7th square x bar plus y bar plus z bar. Now common variables in these 4 max terms are x not common. Next y bar, yes, y bar is common, write y bar. Next z bar is not common. So from quad we got y bar. X is not common. Next y bar is common. Yes, y bar is common in all the max terms. Next z bar is not common. So from quad we got y bar. Next we can form another quad using zeros in the 0th square, 2nd square, 4th square and 6th square. That quad is called map rolling quad. In map rolling, opposite edges squares are considered contiguous. When we roll the map from left to right or from right to left, zeros in the 0th square, 2nd square, 4th square and 6th square will become adjacent or contiguous. So that quad is called map rolling quad. From map rolling quad, using M0, M2, M4, M6. M0, M2, M4, M6. 0, 2, 4, 6 and max terms of that square are max term of 0th square x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z. Next max term of 2nd square is x plus y bar plus z into x plus y bar plus z into max term of 4th square is x bar plus y plus z into x bar plus y plus z into max term of 6th square x bar plus y bar plus z, x bar plus y bar plus z. These are the 4 max terms of the quad. So max term of 0th square is x plus y plus z, max term of 2nd square is x plus y bar plus z, max term of 4th square x bar plus y plus z, max term of 4th square x bar plus y plus z, y plus z, and max term of 6th square is x bar plus y bar plus z, max term of 6th square x bar plus y bar plus z, max term of 4th square x bar plus y plus z, max term of 2nd square x plus y bar plus z, max term of 0th square is x plus y plus z. Now in these 4 max terms, common variables are x not common, next y is not common, next z, yes, z is common. So M0 max term of 0th square is x plus y plus z, next M2 max term of 2nd square x plus y bar plus z, max term of 4th square x bar plus y plus z, max term of 6th square x bar plus y bar plus z. Common variables are x bar not common, next y is not common, next z, yes, z is common. So from map rolling quad we got z. Now we shall draw a logic diagram. So before that we shall write the final POS expression is y bar plus z, y bar plus, sorry, y bar into z, y bar into z. So this is the final reduced POS expression, and logic diagram is y bar plus z, expression is y bar, sorry, into z, y bar into z, input signal y, add a NOT gate to get y bar, next another input signal z. Now perform AND operation between y bar and z. So here we get y bar into z. So this is the logic diagram of final reduced POS expression. Next problem. Given f of a, b, c, d is equal to pi of 0, 2, 6, 8, 9, 10, 14. Reduce it using K-map. Pi of 0 to 6, 8, 9, 10 and 14. There are 4 variables in the problem, so we shall draw 16 square K-map. Zero, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. A, B, C, D. And binary values are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here the variables are A and B. So 0 denotes A, second 0 denotes B. So A plus B. Next 0, 1, A plus B bar, 1, 1, A bar plus B bar. Next 1, 0, A bar plus B. A bar plus B. Next 0, 0, C plus D, 0, 1, C plus D bar, 1, 1, C bar plus D bar, 1, 0, C bar plus D. Next step is filling the map. 0th square, 2nd square, 6th square, 8th square, 9th square, 10th square, 14th square. These squares are having the max terms leads to output zeros. So fill the remaining squares with the ones. So 0, 2, 0, 2, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 14. Okay. Next step is forming the groups. We know that while forming the groups, first search for octets, then for quads and last for pairs. In POS reduction, octet means group of 8 adjacent zeros, quad means group of 4 adjacent zeros and pair means group of 2 adjacent zeros. In SOP reduction, octet means group of 8 adjacent ones, quad means group of 4 adjacent ones, pair means group of 2 adjacent ones. Now, there are no 8 adjacent zeros in the K-map. So, we can't form a octet. We can't form an octet. Next, search for quads. Yes, here we can form a quad using zeros in the 2nd square, 6th square, 14th square and 10th square. So, from quad using M0, M2, M8, M10. Sorry, M2, M6, M14, M10, M2, M6, M14 and M10. Max terms of that quad are A plus B plus C bar plus D. Max term of second square A plus B plus C bar plus D. A plus B plus C bar plus D into max term of sixth square A plus B bar plus C bar plus D. A plus B bar plus C bar plus D into max term of 14th square A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D. A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D into max term of 10th square A bar plus B plus C bar plus D. A bar plus B plus C bar plus D. Max term of second square is A plus B plus C bar plus D. Next A plus B bar plus C bar plus D. Next A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D. Max term of 10th square A bar plus B plus C bar plus D. Now we shall write the common variables. A is not common. Next B is not common. Next C bar, yes, C bar is common, plus D, yes, D is also common. So from quad we got the max term C bar plus D. Max term means sum of the literals. Here you can see sum of two literals, they are C bar and D. Next we can form another quad using the zeros in 0th square, 2nd square, 8th square and 10th square. That quad is called map rolling quad. We know that when we roll the map, opposite edges squares and corner squares will become adjacent or contiguous. When we roll the map, corner zeros, that is zeros in the 0th square, 2nd square, 8th square and 10th square will become adjacent. So using those squares we can form a quad. From map rolling quad, using M0, M2, M8, M10, M0, M2, M8 and M10. Max terms are A plus B plus C plus D into max term of second square A plus B plus C bar plus D, A plus B plus C bar plus D into max term of 8th square A bar plus B plus C plus D, A bar plus B plus C plus D into max term of 10th square A bar plus B plus C bar plus D, A bar plus B plus C bar plus D. Now common variables in these four max terms are A, not common, next B, yes, B is common, plus C is not common, next D, yes, D is common. A is not common, next B is common, next C is not common, next D is common. So from map rolling quad we got the max term B plus D. Next, using zeros in the 8th square and 9th square we can form a pair. From pair using M8 and M9, M8 into M9, max terms are A bar plus B plus C plus D. So this is the max term of 8th square. Next max term of 9th square, A bar plus B plus C plus D bar, A bar plus B plus C plus D bar. M8 A plus B plus C plus D, sorry, A bar plus B plus C plus D. Next, max term of ninth square, a bar plus b plus c plus d bar. Now we shall write the common variables. A bar, yes, a bar is common. Next, plus b is common. Next, c, yes, c is also common. D is not common. So from pair we got the max term a bar plus b plus c. From quad we got c bar plus d. From map rolling quad we got b plus d. From pair we got a bar plus b plus c. So here you can see overlapped groups, map rolling quad and pair. Map rolling quad and pair are overlapped. Here same 0 is included in the quad, that is map rolling quad as well as in the pair. So we can see map rolling, overlapped groups. Here we can see overlapped groups. So final POS expression is C bar plus D into B plus D into A bar plus B plus C. A bar plus B plus C. So this is the final reduced POS expression. From quad we got C bar plus D. From map rolling quad we got B plus D. From pair we got A bar plus B plus C. Okay, we'll continue in the next class. Thank you.